When you log in for the first time, you'll be greeted with Website Pro's one-click setup wizard. Simply fill in these 3 fields and your WordPress site will be set up in minutes. First, enter the desired site name. Then add the business tagline. And lastly, select what you would like to use for your free.websitepro.hosting domain. Once everything is set up, you can add custom domains to the site. Not 100% sure on what to add in these fields? Don't worry, this information can be changed at any time. Once your data is added in, click Create and let Website Pro get to work. And just like that, your site is being set up in the cloud, automatically. This eliminates the technical back-end work that was traditionally required to set up WordPress hosting for a website. Once your WordPress hosting is set up, you'll be brought to the Website Pro dashboard. This is where you come to manage all aspects of your website. From here, you can access your WordPress dashboard and developer tools like PHPMyAdmin and SFTP. All logins are handled through our system, so there is no need to manage multiple web-related logins. The Website Pro dashboard is powered by Google Analytics. If you want to move an existing WordPress site to be hosted with Website Pro, the Import tab makes site migration simple. First, install and activate the all-in-one WordPress migration plugin on the site you want to import into Website Pro. This plugin will export your entire WordPress site, including database, media, plugins, and themes. To export your site, find the all-in-one WordPress migration menu option and select the Export tab. Then, choose where you want to export to. Once you are done exporting your old site, head to your Website Pro WordPress dashboard. Again, you will install and activate the all-in-one WordPress migration plugin on this site. This time, find the all-in-one WordPress migration menu option and select the Import tab. Here, you will select the file you just exported from your old site. And voila! Your existing WordPress site is now imported into Website Pro. Domains tab. This is where you will manage your website domains. If you already own a custom domain you would like to connect to the site, simply click Connect a Domain. Type in the domain name you would like to connect. If you also own the www.subdomain, check this box, then click Add Domain. If you'd like to purchase a domain, you will need to do this with a domain registrar. Next, you will need to log in to your domain registrar and update the DNS records to point to Website Pro. Records can take up to 48 hours to propagate. Website Pro will show the new domain as pending while it verifies the DNS records are correct. Website Pro will then notify you automatically when your DNS records have been successfully connected to your Website Pro site. Once a domain is connected, you can select it to be the primary domain. Simply find the domain in the list and expand the options menu on the right side. Then click Make Primary. All of your domains will then redirect to this domain. Every Website Pro site comes with a built-in security system that works around the clock to protect your site from malicious activity. Plus, every site has an SSL certificate included to ensure your site provides the most secure connection to its visitors. If your site ever experiences any unwanted changes or issues, don't worry. Website Pro performs automatic backups every day. You can access earlier versions of your site here on the Backups page. This page provides a detailed history of your stored website backups. Website Pro makes it easy to identify any changes made since your last backup by highlighting changes in blue. Plus, you can drill into the plugin details to see the state of all plugins and any updates or actions taken on your site plugin since the previous backup. If you need to restore an earlier version of your site, simply find your desired backup and click Restore. If you would like to back up your site more frequently, you can do so by clicking Backup Now. With this, you can back up your site at any time and give each backup a descriptive title. Ensuring your website is operating at peak performance is crucial. That's why Website Pro provides a dashboard for you to stay on top of the performance metrics and insights that matter to you. The Website Pro dashboard is powered by Google Analytics and highlights key performance metrics such as your page speed on desktop and mobile devices, the total number of website visitors to your website, total number of pages viewed on your website, how much time visitors spend on your site, whether your visitors are new or returning, and how your website visitors find your website. And that completes our tour of the Website Pro dashboard. Happy hosting!